What is this to you? Do you know what this is? You're absolutely kidding. Temu? I am actually struggling. This is such a huge unboxing today. Holy crap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I cannot even describe how I'm feeling right now with this huge box. Like, kinda lie, it doesn't look as big, but it actually is like 15, 20 pounds. Before we begin, I do want to thank our sponsor today, Temu, for this entire unboxing. So I am so stoked to be showing you all different types of things that we have shipped to our house today. If y'all don't know, Temu is an online marketplace that offers competitively priced items, literally ranging in all different categories such as beauty, there's fashion, there's pet supplies, office supplies, everything you could literally imagine for such a freaking steal. Site-wide sales offering up to 90% off. I literally know. I don't know how that's possible, but it is. Honey, there's nothing to wake up from. This ain't a dream, it's reality. Free shipping, free returns up to 90 days. I can't get better than this. So with further ado, let's go straight into the unboxing. Why are we sitting here waiting? We gotta go. We gotta go. All right, so I have to make sure I don't show you my actual billing address and everything. What is so nice is that they accept all major debit cards and credit cards and even have pay later programs like Klarna and Afterpay. I know, guys, that's literally balling out a budget right there on top of budgeting some more. But also what I've noticed that if you do download the Temu app and order from there too, it is also a much smoother transaction when purchasing and selecting items. Plus everything is so mobile nowadays that's like you can do anything on your phone. So might as well just order from there. Before we actually unbox everything that is in here, if you do want to use my discount code that's listed in the description down below and listed on the screen here, I got you, using my code on top of the discounts that are literally happening right now. I'm telling you, I ordered the most random stuff ever. Definitely over 30 items. I did see these really cute stuffed animal like plushies that are like plant-like. And guys, y'all know me, I am a major plant girly. This thing is a little cactus. My dog wants it. I don't know which one to give him. Hold on, I know you want this one, but you get to choose. I know. Personally, I don't know which one to give him because these are both really, really cute. Like, what the heck? I have a whole collection on like stuffed animals that are very similar to this. And it's so soft. There's different textures and anything. Absolutely adorable. I have to wait and choose which one I'm gonna give to my dog because we got a whole unboxing to do, okay? I actually need this so bad to water my plants. I know y'all thinking this is really for like sauces and stuff. I could use that too, but I don't really cook because my mom cooks in the house. So we're gonna like definitely put our plant fertilizer liquid in here and just like water it because nowadays for my mini greenhouse in the back, I literally have been spilling everywhere. I need something to like help solve my issues. So it did. Okay, next items. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot that I also ordered these too. Okay, I was dying for brand new shampoo, lotion, conditioner, whatever bottles that were also leak proof because I've been traveling every single month and guys, it had to have like a solid open and close. These colors are so aesthetically pleasing to begin with. And it's like the perfect travel size. I will definitely be using that when I go to Hawaii. Oh my gosh, okay. Guys, I did put an order on this stuff like 2 weeks ago because I was traveling, so I was like, hold off on the order. My brother, the cutest little tarantula spider baby. There's nothing to be scared of, okay? My brother's gonna freak out when I put this in his bed. Like, I'm gonna put it on top of his pillow because he is deathly freaking scared of tarantulas, spiders of all kinds, and what the heck? It says Lucas the Spider, and that's my brother's name. Wait, what? These are so cute. Happy graduation. He literally graduates literally on Friday, so. Your new bestie for you to take to college. Okay, first of all, I know I'm not in college anymore or whatever, but I do need a whole restock on my pens collection. I just recently took on a freelancing opportunity. I will be working probably 2 times the amount that I usually work just because I'm working for my own self and then also, I guess, part-time-ish with another company. Look how amazing these pens are. I guess mechanical pencils. Oops, I didn't know, but these look so aesthetically pleasing as well. Wow. This even matches my actual outfit itself. Looks like it's 0.5. I'll definitely give one to my sister because she has been looking for mechanical pencils and she's been stealing some of my stuff, so homegirl needs her own. So I also did order transparent tape. And also I can honestly use this as a weather strip in some ways too, because it's thicker, less than half of an inch, but it's honestly pretty durable and thick, and it's super sticky. So I feel like that's what you want when I'm using this to weather strip or whatever I want to cover. I also didn't know if this was thin enough, thick enough, so then I got a thicker one. So size different wise, you guys can see what you're getting yourself into in terms of one side tape, clear. This is weather strip, so it's honestly, I need this for my greenhouse. Oh, I did order some stuff for my online business too, for my plant account, which I have listed. I have like little tiny cards that I like write little thank you notes for whenever I do have plant orders, or whenever I do have Depop orders, I can write y'all a cute little note and be like, hey, thanks for shopping for me. I definitely just butchered though this entire box. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. I saw these and I instantly thought of my sister. They're very kawaii looking, very adorable. It's like mini sticky notes. I guess she can use this for school, or if she wants, like if she's reading a book, she can just definitely use these little sticky tabs. She's gonna love me. Happy early birthday to her. It's not until August, but you know. Another color, this one's more girly, more purple. The Lovely Bear one versus the other one is like a bunny rabbit. So maybe I'll give her this one. I'll keep the bunny rabbit one. Ooh. How many of these sticky notes did I get? This one is so cute. It's so froggy-like. Oh my gosh. Wow, my sister has a wide range of choosing. This one definitely matches my outfit. How cute. I literally got the brown ones too. Wow, I love the bear. This one matches my room itself. So basically, we'll be using this all summer, me and my sister. Do you know how much packing tape me and my family need? Because I run a small business and my mom, she does a lot of DIY crafts and stuff like that. And if you like look online for packing tape, it's literally so much, especially when you go to post offices. So why not buy in bulk? I think I bought 3. Why does this look like a rug? What is this for? Oh, okay. So I bought this because I thought that it was gonna be cute. It is cute. Apparently you just like lay this in your bathroom or something, and then whenever you wanna like wash your hands and dry it, you just dry it like this. So I just thought it was just honestly so adorable, and it's just like so fluffy. So freaking, okay, we're not having a pillow fight right now. I'm so sorry. I think I have ADHD. We cannot do this. We can't do this. Focus up. Okay. I got another one of the little hand wash thing, maybe in the bathroom because I think it will honestly match. But I kind of want this one, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna keep this one. And then the gray one will go upstairs. It honestly smells brand new. I love it so much. Anyways, I need to not make it dirty by like putting my dirty hands on there. For my planting collection, whenever I am going to mist my plants inside the greenhouse because I want more humidity, easy. Not only is it matching my modern room, but it is honestly just easy. Just open and close and just spray it in there once a day. Call it good, okay? I don't remember what I'm ordering half the time, if it's in a bulk, so I'm trying to figure out what's what. So apparently this is like a quick drying shower mat. I think I have like 1 rug in there, and sometimes I need to like wash it every once in a while. I'm gonna need to swap one out while that one's cleaning. Flower decor pattern. It looks so prominent in here. So I'll definitely be using that, and my bathroom is kind of like neutrals anyway, so that's why I picked that color. If you are under 18, cover your eyes and mute this part. Set yourself a timer for 30 seconds. I was searching on Temu and I was like, oh, like this is so cute. Like, what is it? I guess you could put it on your pencil or like play with it or put it on your desk. What does this look like to you? Don't call me crazy, but I also bought one, okay, for my boyfriend because this is just freaking adorable but hilarious at the same time. Like, I just feel like I am in sex ed or something, but they're little goo things. They're besties. I did get myself a whole pen pack, just like the mechanical pencils. Oh, and they are so pastel-y. Great for the spring summer vibe. So easy and simple. Look at how seamlessly it blends color-wise. Oh yeah, and I also bought twine. Whenever I want to like wrap things, especially for Christmas or for birthday gifts, okay, just like anything, I could just easily use this. Really like the twine look, the whole aesthetic of like wooden, beige, tan, whatever. Oh, so I guess I bought myself some storage unit thingies. Actually, I could use this for makeup now that I think about it. I love the aesthetic of acrylic and just have it clear. So I can definitely put my makeup in here. Whatever makeup that fits, I guess. Or I could just use these for my rings. One cool thing that I also saw when I was looking at those Post-its, there were clear sticky notes. Imagine writing and then you could put it on your PC so you could just like see it better, and it's like, I don't know, just like the aesthetic. I just wanted to try that because I've never ever had something like this before. Should we just try one of them? I wrote it on here. I wrote Ava on here with pencil. Wow, I should have wrote it in pen, but that's kind of cool. And then you just like paste it on something. Maybe I'll write it with Sharpie next time. In terms of more lotion, conditioner, shampoo bottles, try different types, different versions to see. This is probably gonna be good for like showering. Hence the plastic and stuff. So I bought this for myself so I could use at home or whenever I wanted to move or something. I'm probably gonna use it literally like here in my room, but basically these are dry sweeping cloths. But we have the whole stick. Honestly, it is a struggle buying more and more of these because we use these on a daily basis and they're disposable, okay? Which is really nice because you can use it for your floor, computer, furniture, for your pets and whatnot, and my dog sheds like hella. Oh my gosh. So for a part of my small business as well, I bought these like stickers and I totally forgot about these, but look how cute and like holographic it looks. Basically, it says, thank you for supporting my small business. And so whenever I want to wrap something, I can take it out, put it on the paper, we're good to go. And look how much they gave me. First of all, so many in there. What? I know my sister's gonna like this. So whenever she does something for me, like film with me or like, I don't know, does my chores or something, I'm gonna give her a Gudetama. I don't even use stickers and I got this. Like that's how much it convinced me on Temu. Jenny Mai, where you at? It's time to do the unboxing. I guess I got a makeup kit, manicure kit. I need this for travel because look at this entire set. Believe it or not, I did not have a set like this at all to begin with to do my manicures. I did, however, lose my scissors too for my eyebrows, which is perfect. This is what I've been looking for. Wow, so people probably would use this for the bathroom, cotton balls, you know, cotton pads for your face, but I honestly would just take the lid off and like use this as like a propagation cup for my plants to root it in. And plus I have a whole all clear aesthetic right now in my greenhouse. We love being creative. I don't know how many I have these. I probably have like 15 of them, but I saw one of my cousins like buy one for herself and her sister, and she literally put it on her like this because you know when you're washing your face and all the water like goes down? Annoying! I now look like a cute little bunny rabbit and I can like not have it drip everywhere, you know? Blue light glasses, guys. UV 400 protection. It is super thin. I'm not sure how it's gonna look on me though, but I mean, it looks a little big on me, but it's cute. I love clear. I like the clear look. I look very minimalistic. We're never gonna use these to protect our eyes to begin with because we're not trying to damage and be more blind in this day and age. I got more shower pouches in different sizes. I know I already showed you this size, but there's a little tiny mini size as well. So that is honestly perfect. They're all separate bottles that you can use for travel. My sister and my boyfriend are both gonna die over this. These are Squishmallow stickers. I was obsessed with the Gudetama ones, but I'm sure that they're gonna be obsessed with Squishmallows because they literally collect all different sizes and some of the limited edition ones. Look at these. There's some animal ones, some ice cream and fruit ones. We gotta love it. And I got these Y2K sweatpants. I don't know how it's gonna fit on me, but it looks like the waist is thin enough to actually, you know, cinch up to my waist. Flared, okay? These are the perfect, I don't know, streetwear color, black, white. You can't really go wrong with something like this. Also, you can cinch it up at the very bottom, I guess. So you can make it tighter just in case you don't like the flared out option. These are so good for just relaxation, some casual, you know, if you're running errands, going to the gym real quick. I don't know, you could easily wear that. Bodycon fitted dress. Look how scooped this is in the front, and it kind of opens up a little bit here. But I love that just because I'm gonna be going on vacation this entire summer, and we just can't say no to all these dresses. Material pattern is like ribbed. This is a tiny bit thin, so no, you can't see through, but make sure, I guess, you're wearing the right underwear or else you're gonna see your granny panties. Okay, so that is literally all for this entire video. That is crazy. But I just want to say thank you so much for Temu for sponsoring this video again. And guys, please don't forget to use my discount code down below or right here listed. Deals on top of deals. You know what I mean? We're racking it up. I gotta get ready so we can go to dinner tonight and just celebrate my brother's birthday. So with further ado, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting throughout the entire week, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.